Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a gradient animation effect in Davinci Resolve. So let's get started. First of all, let's go over here and create a new fusion composition. And now let's double click on this. So here we are in our fusion composition. So first of all, I'm going to add a background and I'm going to add this merge node. So let's go ahead and connect this. Now I'm going to change the color of this background to this color code. You can copy this. Okay, now let's drag in another background, and now I'm going to simply connect this with this merge one, this box over here, and this will create another merge itself. Now go ahead and add this color code over here, this one, and then once again drag another background and connect this with this merge tool. And now let's set the color to this color code. All right, so now we have our three different backgrounds. Now what we need to do is we need to add a masking. So over here, you can simply just drag in this mask. And first of all, let's add this over at background 3. Then let's add another one and another one and connect all of these like this. So first of all, let's drag this over here. Let's drag the second one over here and the third one over here. So you can just simply position them so that they are visible. Okay, so now what you need to do is click Control Space on your keyboard and search for blur. And here you can add in Gaussian blur. Just simply add this over here and move this over here by pressing Shift until you see this line turn blue. And once that turns blue, just simply drop this and this will connect it with your layers with this node. Okay, so let's change this blur. Let's go all the way at 1. And now I'm going to add this transform over here. So let's increase the size a bit. Okay, so now I'm going to adjust this a bit. So let me just zoom out of this, and let's just adjust this one. Let's just move this out a bit. This rectangle as well. And this one as well. So make sure they are connected together. And now let's go ahead and transform them to fit the screen. Just make sure that they are completely covering the whole screen and there is nothing missing out. So I'm going to move this one a bit over here and I'm going to move this one right here. Now just go ahead and fill the whole screen. So here you can see we have the whole screen covered. Now what we need to do is animate this gradient. So go over at 0 and set the angle, a keyframe at the angle, and then go over at 60 and change the angle to 180. And then go over here at the end and then set this to 360. So now let's play this back. And here you can see we have a nice looking gradient animation. So this was it for this video. I hope you liked it and I'll see you in the next one.